Great job, sir. Dr. Hansen's offered to stay on with us for now, and I think her skills will be invaluable.
It's hard to believe I'm even here.
Great to have you, Doc. How you planning on pitching in?
Well, your medical facilities are medieval, and your science expertise is non-existent. Perhaps I could start there.
Ouch. Well, I guess you might be able to teach Stedman a thing or two. Welcome aboard, Doc.
Guess you heard the news by now, Raynor. Looks like you're back in business.
That I am, Mr. Hill. And fighting the Zerg and Dominion all at once is going to take its toll on my standing forces. You got any guns for hire?
But you know the invasion makes it a seller's market right now. Still, your bartender over there makes a hell of a Mai Tai. So, sure, I've got some mercenary contracts you might be interested in.
You're all heart, Mr. Hill. You meet Dr. Hansen yet?
Sure did. I asked that sweet thing if she'd like to give me a physical. No harm in asking, right? I think she's got her eye on some pansy ass, though.
Yeah? Who might that be?
Oh, I don't know. Some white knight kind of guy came charging down to save a colony, maybe. Damn, Jimmy. You never could read the ladies.
Donnie Vermillion, UNN. We've got Kate Lockwell on remote feed from Agria, a fringe colony. Are you there, Kate? Okay, we seem to be having a sound problem with... I'm being told Emperor Mangsk is going to address us directly. Let's take you to his announcement already in progress.
My finest military minds are being brought to bear, and it's my pleasure to announce that they'll soon be led by the hero of Taurus himself, General Horace Warfield.
Warfield? I thought he retired years ago.
With General Warfield at the helm, and our finely honed Dominion military under his command, I have every confidence that this new Zerg threat will be contained very soon.
There you have it, viewers. With Warfield in command, the Zerg swarm will be defeated in no time. Up next, Raynor ups his campaign of terror just as the Zerg reappear. Coincidence? You decide after these messages.
I should really take this down.
Hey, grab your Zerg and beat him in the head. If you don't like biscuits, beat it cornbread. Zerg always found out after.
It sure felt good rescuing those folks. But there's millions more out there that need help, too.
We can't be everywhere at once, sir. The important thing is that we set an example and gave them hope. Every time we help folks in need, it's another step on the road to a better future.
I know, Matt. But it's been 4 years and we're still no closer to bringing Mengsk down. Now with the Zerg back in the mix, your better future needs to hurry up and get here, or there's gonna be no one left to see it.
I've heard a lot about you, Commander. The Dominion always portrayed you as a criminal, terrorist. There's more to you than it seems.
Well, with the Dominion being what it is, someone's gotta stand up for the little guy. It sure ain't gonna be Mengsk.
Doesn't seem like the Emperor cares at all. My people from Agria and displaced populations from across the sector have all fled to a refugee staging area on Meinhof. There are reports of violence and disease spreading throughout the camps, but the Emperor's done nothing.
I'll look into it, Doc.
Jim, refugee populations from across the sector have been using Meinhof as a staging point. But with so many people in close proximity, an epidemic of some kind has started sweeping through the camps. Please, my people need help. We've got to do something before it's too late.
The Mobius boys think there's another artifact in a world called Monolith. Supposedly there's Protoss guarding it. A group of fanatics call themselves the Tal'Darim. Now don't get all sentimental thinking these Tal'Darim are your old Protoss buddies. Because they ain't. There it is, Jimmy. Just like Mobius said. Easy money.
I don't know. There's a lot of Protoss down there. We're gonna have to... What the?
Warning. Multiple Zerg biosignatures detected.
Ah, hell.
Them critters were just hiding underground, waiting?
No idea, but you can bet they're headed straight for our shrine.
Yeah, that show complicates things. We can't fight two armies at once, partner.
With any luck, we won't have to. We only need to hold the area at the top of the shrine long enough to extract the artifact. So we'll land here and cut our way through the Protoss lines while they're busy with the Zerg. It's only a matter of time before the Zerg overwhelm the Protoss. We'd best grab the artifact and be long gone by then.
In the rear.
Not enough minerals.
Armed and ready.
Go ahead.
Been waiting on you.
The Zerg severely outnumber the Protoss forces. It is likely the Protoss will fall shortly.
Well, here's the plan. Then we've got to get that artifact before the Zerg overrun the whole place.
The orders? 10-4.
Please state the name.
This better.
Is it critical?
SCV ready. Yeah.
Warning. Protoss stalkers are gathering at our perimeter.
SCV ready.
Incoming transmission.
I got something new for you, cowboy. Marauders, the latest word in big bada-boom hardware.
I ain't sure this is the best time to be experimenting, Swan.
Best time there is. Let the Marauders loose against those stalkers and you'll see.
Roger that. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Will do.
The doctor is in.
Been waiting on you. Gangway, coming through.
Not enough minerals.
Gangway, coming through. Keep your shirt on.
Big job, huh? SCV ready.
Booyah! Of course.
Additional supply depots required.
Ah! You scared me! Woohoo! Overtime! Go ahead.
Who wants some? Go, go, go! Why not?
SCV ready.
Sure thing.
Yeah.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Aye, aye.
Warning. Incoming Zerg attack wave detected.
Gangway, coming through.
What's going on? Big job, huh? Yeah, what?
You want a piece of me, boy?
Move it. Huh? I'm going.
You gonna give me orders? 10-4. Orders received. That's fine.
SCV ready.
Armed and ready.
Not enough minerals.
Yep. Bad news.
Not enough minerals.
Been waiting on you. Looking forward to it. By the numbers. Who wants some?
SCV ready. Huh? You're the boss. SCV ready.
This better be good.
Add-on complete.
Armed and ready.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Sure thing. Who wants some?
SCV ready.
Orders?
The doctor is in.
Outstanding.
base is under attack.
We could use some help here. Gangway, coming through. Been waiting on you.
You better send some body bags.
Go, go, go! Armed and ready.
You better send some body bags.
You gonna give me orders? This better be good.
Must be an emergency.
Been waiting on you. Armed and you want a piece of me, boy?
Bad news? What's going on? Gotcha. Ah! You scared me! Go ahead.
Who wants some?
In the rear with the gear.
This been waiting on you. Yes, sir. Go, go, go! Armed and ready. Armed and ready. Who wants some?
We hear you. Big job, huh?
Kaboom, baby!
Oh,
it's on.
Huh? Yes.
You better send some body bags. The doctor is in.
Go ahead.
Not enough minerals. Upgrade complete.
Let's have a blast!
SCV ready.
Go, go, go! Got it. This better be good. Armed and ready. Why not? You got it. Looking forward to it. You gonna give me orders? That's fine. Gangway, coming through. Armed and ready. Sure thing. Who wants some? Will do. This better be by the numbers, boys. Been waiting on you. Sure. Need a light. Armed and ready. By the numbers, boys. Gangway, coming through. I feel you. This better be good. Sure thing. By the numbers, boys. Oh, yeah. That's fine.
Roger that. I'm on it.
Upgrade complete.
This better be good. Armed and ready. Why not? You gonna give me orders? Go, go, go! Been waiting on you.
The doctor is in.
Coming through. You gonna give me orders? Armed and ready.
Just say when.
This better be good.
Say the word, baby.
Who wants some?
The doctor is in.
Will do. Why not? You got it. What the? Come on. Want some? Gateway coming through. I got a crew coming down to pick up the artifact.
Got what we came for. Let's hightail it out of here.
I forgot how resourceful you were, Jim. I won't make that mistake twice.
Kerrigan.